Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to use Vlookup in Google Sheets. Vlookup is the method by which we can find a value in a large dataset by using just one simple formula. We can check for a corresponding value without using Ctrl+F again and again. For example, in this sample dataset, I have few employees' name and their salaries and their employee IDs. And I have other details also. For example, I have some randomly distributed employee IDs over here in column I. Now I need to check their salary. To avoid using Ctrl+F again and again in this large dataset, all I'll do is use Vlookup. Now suppose the formula for applying Vlookup is as follows. Is equal to Vlookup. Now I need to find the corresponding salary of employee 1. So what I'll do is I'll select this cell. In the formula bar, automatically it will show you the selected cell range, or you can either choose to write it. Now I'll be selecting the range. The range here would be from B to G. Why starting from column B, not A? Because the first column in the range is the column for which you are looking for a corresponding value. So here the range would be $B, $1, $G, $51, comma. Now I need to write the column index number. Column index number is the corresponding value against this employee ID. Now I need to find their corresponding salaries. So the column index number here would be 5. Why 5, not 6, as it's the column F? This is because the range is from column B. So the column index number for B is 1. Henceforth, for column F, it would be 5. So I'll write 5, comma, true. True gives you nearest appropriate match, whereas if you write false, it will give you the exact match. I'll press enter. I'll see the employee ID 1 salary is 10,000. You can verify it manually. Now, for the entire column, I'll not be writing it again. I'll just drag this. Automatically the formula is duplicated to the whole column J. So for this randomly distributed employee IDs, I have their corresponding salaries. You can also validate it to check if your Vlookup is correct or not. For example, I'll just validate it for employee ID 41. So Ctrl F. So the salary for employee ID 41 is 6,000. Employee ID 41, 6,000. Now it's validated. So in this way, you can look up for various values using Vlookup formula in a large dataset. Hope it's clear to you and hope it's helpful too. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.